Hi everyone, it's Anna here. Today we're exploring how to build custom agent, agency, and developer page templates using WpResidence Studio and Elementor free. This system gives you the freedom to personalize the design and layout of each page type depending on what your project or client needs. The video will walk you through all the important sections, widgets, and display controls. First, make sure that WpResidence Studio plugin version 5.2.0 is installed and active. You can install it from the Install Plugins notice or from WpResidence Site Settings plugins. Once it's active, you'll see a new menu called WpResidence Studio Template. From here, you can create custom templates for specific parts of your site, including the header, footer, property pages, and more. Before we start, it's important to understand when you should use the Studio system because it's not always required. WpResidence already includes built-in templates for agent, agency, and developer pages, and these are available right from theme options and work out of the box. However, if you want more control, maybe to rearrange sections and custom design or highlight certain details differently, this is where the Template Studio becomes useful. To create a new template, go to WpResidence Studio, add new. Give your template a clear and descriptive name, for example, developer template. And under template, select agent, agency, or developer, depending on what you're building. Set Elementor full width to yes if you want to control the layout and spacing using Elementor's settings instead of theme defaults. Once you click Publish, your new template will appear under the corresponding tab, Agent, Agency, or Developer. And now you can click Edit with Elementor to start designing. You'll open up a blank canvas where you can build a page from scratch or you can insert pre-designed layouts from the WpResidence Studio library. Just like the property page template, you can use dedicated widgets to display agent, and developer information, description, title, images. You have also contact forms, social links, information available in the profile of each user. We will help you get started. We created 3 sample templates. One is for agent page with specific profile card, contact form, property list, and custom fields available in each agent profile. We also have one created for the agency page with branding, feature properties, and a few other details. And we also have one for the developer page focused on showcasing the properties, company details, and the contact form. Each of these templates was built using only WpResidence widget and Elementor free, so you can recreate them easily or build your own from scratch. Don't forget to check also how the responsive devices look using the Elementor responsive buttons. You can adapt the design to your desire, but be sure to test everything you do on actual devices. And don't forget, once the template is ready, published, and checked for all responsive devices, you can assign it globally from theme options to all agents, or you can assign it to specific categories from agents, agencies, or developers. And that's the power of WpResidence Studio. It's flexible design, no coding required, and it's fully connected to your content. I hope the video helped you understand how easy it is to create custom agent, agency, or developer pages with WpResidence Studio System and Elementor free. And if you like this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions or want to see more video tutorials. See you in the next video.